Hi, it's Dr. H here. I want to take a moment to talk about one of the most significant ways that you can improve your communication with your spouse. Now, I have a whole series of communication skills that I go over, so feel free to reach out if you'd like some pointers and some tips to go through that. But one of the exercises that I recommend with couples is to record one of your conversations. Now, you have to do this with consent and agreement from both people, but if you can agree to record a conversation, like 5 or 10 minutes or so, then go back and listen to it and notice how you're speaking to your spouse, okay? Now, one of the most important parts, if you're going to record a conversation, you are only allowed to talk about your part of the conversation, okay? So no commenting on what your spouse says. If that's going to be difficult for you, I recommend you record the conversation and then review it alone so you can get out all those expletives or comments or whatever you want, unfiltered, and then come back together and discuss your part of the conversation. All right, enjoy looking at how you speak to each other, and it's going to help you a lot in the future.